Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to download and install Blender on Windows. For that go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Blender, press enter. After pressing enter you can see the official website is visible, blender.org, click on it. We have reached the official website, click on download Blender. Here is the current version for Windows, Blender 3.4.1, click on it to download. Now the download will start. Here it is, 258 MB, let's wait. Guys, you can see we have successfully downloaded the installer file for Blender. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now the setup started, click next. The license agreement is visible, click on I accept the terms in the license agreement and click next. After that, clicking next, the section is visible wherein it is shown that it will install Blender as well as the libraries, which is fine. If you want to change the location of the Blender installation, you can change it from here by clicking browse. But this looks fine, click next. So ready to install Blender, click on install. You can see we have successfully installed Blender. Click on finish. After clicking, you can see the desktop shortcut is also visible. Let's open it for the first time. Click on Blender. So here it is guys, we started Blender for the first time. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Blender on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.